thing today out there. And I'm not going to be easy on it. We're going to see what's up today with it. Derek, you said you got me, bro, so I believe you. I'll go as good as I possibly can, easy as I possibly can. We won't purposely snap it in half, but maybe it won't snap at all. Maybe it'll break the tree. We got a nice big old smudge on there. I put it right into that tree for you. Right into that tree for you. And it didn't do nothing to it. Let's give you some more. I know, you think that's all I'm giving you? I ain't no cheat. Just beat it. Just beat it. Just beat it. Broke a prop. But my receiver wanting to jump out of there. You can't blame that on the frame.
No.
You see she took a hard hit.
That was a real hard hit.
Did we loosen any arms? Let's unplug because we know we can't fly no further in here anyway.
Yep.
So this thing come a screaming demon on us, but let's see what the arms look like. Let's see if we're knocking any arm out. We done nothing to this frame.
No, the tail frame's nothing.
That was a hard hit.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.